Dr. Pavo. I'm CIA.
He wasn't alone.
You don't get to bring friends.
They're not my friends. Don't worry. Not shy for them.
And why would I want them?
They were trying to grab your prize. They work for the mercenary. The masked man.
Bane. Get him aboard, I'll call it in. The flyer plan I just filed with the agency lists me, my men, and Dr. Pablo here, but only one of you. First one to talk gets to stay on my aircraft. Who paid you to grab Dr. Pablo? He didn't fly so good. Who wants to try next? Tell me about Payne. Why does he wear the mask? Lot of loyalty for a hired gun.
Well, perhaps he's wondering why someone would shoot a man before throwing him out of a plane.
At least you can talk. Who are ya?
It doesn't matter who we are. What matters is our plan. No one cared who I was until I put on the mask.
If I pull that off, would you die?
It would be extremely painful
You're a big guy.
for you.
Was getting cut part of your plan?
Of course. Dr. Beverly thinks I were offering favors of yours. We had to know what he told you about us.
Nothing! I'll say nothing!
Well, congratulations. You got yourself caught.
Sir?
Now what's the next step of your master plan?
Crash this plane. With no survivors. The wreckage, brother.
And we started a fire.
Yes, the fire rises. Calm down, Doctor. Now it's not time for fear. That comes later.
Is it really painful?
very welcome to try it, Alfred.
Happy watching, thank you, sir.
Not bad at all.
If you're seriously considering going back out there, you should hear the rumors surrounding Bane.
I'm all ears.
There is a prison in a more ancient part of the world. A pit where men are thrown to suffer and die. But sometimes a man rises from the darkness. Sometimes the pit sends something back. Bane, born and raised in hell on earth.
Born in a prison?
No one knows why or how he escaped, but they do know that once he did, he was trained by Ra's al Ghul, your mentor.
Bane was a member of the League of Shadows.
And then he was excommunicated. And any man who is too extreme for Ra's al Ghul is not to be trifled.
I didn't realize I was known for trifling with criminals.
That was then. And you can just strap up your leg and put your mask back on, but that doesn't make you what you were.
If this man is everything that you say he is, then this city needs me.
The city needs Bruce Wayne. Your resources, your knowledge. It doesn't need your body or your life. That time just passed.
You're afraid that if I go back out there, I'll fail.
No. I'm afraid that you want to.
What you doing?
I can carry it out over the bay.
Set it to fly it over the water and the jet?
No autopilot.
You could have gone anywhere, been anything. But you came back here.
So did you.
I guess we're both suckers.
I never care who you were.
You were right.
But shouldn't people know the hero said them?
A hero can be anyone, even a man doing something as simple and reassuring as putting a coat around a little boy's shoulders to let him know that the world hadn't ended.
Bruce Wayne.
Come on, there you go. Okay, you too. Come on, father. Heads down. This is it.
No, that's Batman.
That's detonation. Set over the base, clear of the city.